Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys I am going to show you guys text size setting guys. How can you set your guys default text size means default font size guys you want to set in your Tecno phone. So guys you can set, and guys now let's see how to set default font size in a Tecno phone. So first of all guys I will on guys my phone setting to set it, then guys scroll it. As you can see guys, this is your display and brightness setting. So I tap here, as click on guys, this is your font size. So I tap here, then as you can see guys, there are three sizes. So as you can see guys, your default size and large size here. So guys, you want to set guys default. Yes guys, I want to set into default. So guys, I will tap here to default, and guys come back. So as you can see guys, your font size is default. So where your font size will default in your Tecno phone. So like that guys, you can set guys your default font size in your Tecno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.